Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our phonics reading class. Today we are going to learn short vowel sound o, octopus.
Octopus.
D, o, t, dot.
D, a, t, dot.
G, o, t, got.
G, a, t, got.
Very good. H, o, t, hot.
H, a, t, hot.
Read with us. N, o, t, not.
N, a, t, not.
O, t, lot.
L, a, t, lot.
K, o, t, cot.
K, a, t, cot.
K, k, o, claw, t, clot.
K, a, t, clot.
P, o, t, pot.
P, a, t, pot.
P, p, o, plot, plot.
P, a, t, plot.
O, t, rot.
A, t, rot.
K, o, p, cop.
K, a, p, cop.
H, o, p, hop.
H, a, p, hop.
T, o, p, top.
T, a, p, top.
P, o, p, pop.
P, a, p, pop.
S, t, st, o, stop. P, stop.
S, t, a, p, stop.
D, o, g, dog.
D, a, g, dog.
O, g, fog.
A, g, fog.
O, g, log.
A, g, log.
K, k, o, claw, g, clog.
K, a, g, clog.
S, o, small, g, smog.
S, a, g, smog.
O, x, fox.
X, fox.
B, o, x, box.
B, a, x, box.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, must subscribe the channel. Now, Allah Hafiz. फिर मिलेंगे.